name's Justin Kraft.
And I'm Jonathan Stevens.
And today we're going to talk about Fung. Fung is the top supplier globally for retail stores. The little agenda that we're going to talk about today is the history and background about Fung, the company information, case study background, the supply management chain, and how Fung has implemented their supply chain to take over Wal-Mart's supply chain to help increase Wal-Mart's sales, and improving Wal-Mart's capabilities through Fung, and the financials of Fung, and any questions you may have at the end. Fung was founded in 1906. It's headed by Victor and William Fung, who are brothers. And the model that William and Victor came up with, William, the W Williams stood for work, and the V and Victor stood for vision. Fung is home-based in Hong Kong to source countries such as Bangladesh, China, and India. It operates in 3 distinct core businesses: export trading, retailing, and distribution. Fung manages the supply chains for major brands and retailers worldwide. Its dedicated teams of product specialists focus on each customer's segment to professionally manage the entire supply chain. A little company information about Fung. Fung Limited is a premier global trading group managing the supply chain for high volume, time-sensitive consumer goods. Garments make up a large part of Fung's business, which also covers the sourcing of art goods such as fashion accessories, furnishing goods, handcrafts, home products, promotional merchandise, toys, and sporting goods, and traveling goods. It leads over 7,000 workers in nearly 40 countries. Through its network of 45 offices in 31 countries, Fung supplies apparel for Limited, kidswear for Gymboree, Avion, Bed Bath & Beyond, Abercrombie & Fitch, Reebok, and Warner Brothers retail shops. Fung's goal was to globalize the supply chains, make the world a flatter place, and easier for companies to carry out their everyday things and not have to worry about the little things, and Fung can take care of those for that particular company. A little bit of the case study between Fung and Wal-Mart. It focuses on challenging global retailers and executing a supply chain management. Our intent is to show how partnerships between Wal-Mart and Fung can provide tangible benefits to Wal-Mart and other global retailers in the area of global supply chain management and logistics. The benefit of a partnership in performing logistics and inventory management on a global scale.
Now, with the supply chain management, there's a lot that Fung goes into it. It's a $20 million corporation, and it starts out with the product development. They develop many different things, from jeans with Kohl's to different packaging with Wal-Mart and other food products. And that's where they're getting the raw sourcing material from. With this material, they're doing production planning, and that's getting what they're producing to the warehouses in different factories. And from these different factories, it has to be manufactured and controlled. And to control these things, it has to make sure it's getting there in time with the best quality. To ensure the best quality, there has to be a large difference between the number of months that it first got in and then first gets out. Because the first in has to be the first out to ensure that it's coming with the best amount of time. Meaning that they're trying to get products from point A to point B while cutting out the middleman. And they have to do this with different documentation and shipping consolidation. But once this is done, they're going to have a lot of value. And with this value, you'll see that each packages, you can get fashion accessories, festive products, furnishings, garments, giftware, handcrafts, home products, sporting goods, toys from KB, and traveling goods. Wal-Mart and Fung's deal to benefit the product flow. This creates a dedicated partnership with the global reach and capacity to improve time and market through a dedicated global supply chain process. Its fully integrated operations result in just-in-time inventory, reduced costs, improved financial performance, along with many other things. logistics that came with improving Walmart's deal that they made with Li and Fung. They had vast amounts of distribution of goods that happened quickly and effectively to the remote locations. The remote locations that were including Bangladesh, Hong Kong, and other places all around the world. The alliance between the companies is expected to allow Walmart to benefit by consolidating a part of its multi-billion-dollar sourcing portfolio that supplies its goods to its stores.
And the alliance between both Walmart and Li and Fung, it's projected to increase both financially, and it's promoted to put Bangladesh over the $10 billion mark, making them the largest supplier globally.
Financials that came through the cash flow. The cash flow from the operations of Li Fung has decreased over the past couple of years. It's declined from 2,113 million in 2005 to 472 million in 2006. Now, that indicates a decline in the net cash from operating activities that may affect the company's growth and plans of the short term to the medium term plan. Now, are there any questions you have for either myself